Hi, I want to talk a little bit about a product that I've been using for quite some time now. It is the Maximum Strength Acne Spot Treatment by Health. Now, I, like many other people, experience acne occasionally. I will get an occasional bump either on my T-spot area, my chin, or my cheek. It comes out of nowhere a couple times a month, nothing that I can really do about it. This is a great product for that. Now, I am not recommending that you use it if you suffer from moderate or severe acne and you need something that has an all-over coverage. This is not the product to use. This is for just literally a spot. It's a spot treatment. You're gonna put a dab of it on the problem area and you will see the bump disappear within a few days. But there are pros and cons to this product, so I'm gonna kind of go over a little bit of that. So it comes in just a little 1 ounce pouch. Again, it's not that much product, but that is with the understanding that you're not gonna use this all over your face. You're only gonna use it in that one problem area, which we occasionally get. You know, we get a bump every once in a while. So that's what this is for. The number one product that's in this, the acne treatment, is benzoyl peroxide. Now, that is found in some of the top acne creams. That is really what's working 100% to clear up that area. It brings down the redness, the swelling, dries out the pimple if it's a whitehead, and so that's what's working for you in this little treatment. So that you just have it up here. And also, because this is maximum strength, it contains 3 times more of the benzoyl peroxide than other brands. So that's really great. You know, you're getting a bang for your buck. It's gonna get the job done. So this is just a little plastic tube. It's not easily punctured, so that's good. You're not gonna waste any product. Also, this seal is tight, so as you can see, I can't squeeze the product out, so it's definitely secure. Just so that you can get a good idea of the size, I have like just a regular standard lighter here, which is a little bit taller than that. So it's not a big tube. You can throw it in your makeup bag, throw it in your purse. You're not gonna need to take this with you. You're gonna want to use it twice a day, maybe once on that problem area, and that's pretty much all. So you can open it up here like this, and you want to squeeze out just a dab of it. That's all you're gonna need. And wherever your pimple is, just put it up there and you rub it in, and you can see it rubs in clean. It disappears. And then I've used this several times and I can see a difference. If I use it at night after I finish washing my face, I can see the difference the next morning. It's not as red, it's not as inflamed, it's reduced in size significantly, so I know that it's definitely working. I can say this, it does leave your skin feeling just a little bit dry in that area, so what I would recommend is that once you use this, you can put a face cream on top of it. You know, you can go ahead and continue on with your normal face washing regimen as you would. You can wash your face, thoroughly, make sure that there's no makeup or make residue on it. Use a spot treatment in those couple areas where you have a pimple, and then go ahead and put on something, some moisture on your face, because you don't want to dry it out too much. That can probably add to the issue. Also, don't use too much of this product. I did have, a problem area that I wanted to address, and I think that I covered the spot in the cream instead of rubbing it in, and it did leave a dark mark. Now, don't be alarmed. It just kind of goes to show how strong the product is, but you definitely don't want to overuse it. Again, that's why it comes in such a small container, because it's not meant to be used that much. Now, as I said in the beginning, this is not a substitution for your normal, acne regimen if you have moderate to severe acne. If you have, acne and it's kind of all over your face, or there's a lot in several areas, this is not the product for you. It is super strong, so you don't want to use too much of it. It is for one spot only. So please don't use this in substitution of what you're already using. It's not for that. It's for one tiny spot every once in a while. I've been using this for several months and I love it. I recommend it highly. We all get an occasional breakout, me included. I have generally clear skin, but when I do get an occasional breakout, I go straight to that. I have had situations where I have maybe a cluster of bumps around my forehead in the summertime, when you're sweating and your pores get clogged. It doesn't work for that. That you would need to use maybe a stronger face wash or a different product to take care of that type of a situation. But when I have like one bump on my chin, one bump on my cheek, one right in the middle of my forehead on my T-spot, I can rub this up there and I can assure you I see results within hours. The area is a lot less red, the bump goes down significantly, and it dries out. I would say on average about a week of this, using it twice a day, once in the morning after you wash your face and then once at night after you wash the day off of your face. In about 5 days, the bump is gone. So that's why I love this, because it's a super quick fix and it's highly recommended. So I mean, I hope this is useful to you. For those who get occasional acne, I would recommend this product 100%.